Bulavinaka, welcome to Kunming, China. Right now we're celebrating Chinese New Year food festival, and me and Eddie we are going to show them how to mix kava. Kava is a Fijian traditional drink. So tonight we're going to mix kava. So as you can see, this is kava. This is called kava bowls. This is kava bowls. We use this to drink kava, and we don't have a timer, so we're gonna use a basin to mix kava. And this is kava.
From Kadavu.
Yeah, kava from Kadavu. Kava is a plant, but now it's pounded, as you can see. So this is pounded kava, but it's from a root of a plant. Just for hygiene, because coronavirus is going on here in China. Trying to be extra careful, so that's why we have a basin of water here to wash the kava bowls when after someone leaves. This is also not hygiene first, you know. Just still waiting for the cloth. Cover right now. We're using the piece of cloth as a filter. Put the pounded kava inside and mix it with water. It's up to you if you want to drink it concentrated or not. Depends on the amount of water. Too much? You drink too much kava? You won't be able to stand up straight. You will not be able to stand up straight. You will fall back to your room.
Woo! All dancing.